Hello, my name is Jorge Alejandro Cruz, a student at the University Tecnológica de Aguascalientes, and this video I will be explaining how to control a CNC router in a basic way, name it as a robot. The first thing we will be doing is having our CNC turned on. Then we will be programming the pens that the tools will be following. However, before that, we will need to be setting up the tool, including feed speeds and RPM. Afterward, we will be loading our program on the memory device for the CNC router. This program will be having the .nc extension. For example, in the video show, we will be creating a design of a box with a logo engraved on wood. In my opinion, the most challenging part will be designing the software, and the software being used will be called Aspire. Once the program is uploaded, we will need to be checking the material position and the tool's position. Eventually, everything will be ready to start, and we be pressing the auto button to begin the machine cycle. Very importantly, after the program is finished, we will be removing the pies, cleaning up the pies and the machine. Finally, we will have our finished pies.